how to fix a home network, a small office, home office network. It's not an easy task. However, we have covered a lot of interesting things. I encourage you to watch the second lecture, the second section, network commands that you need, because we will need them. That is like, you have to know ping, ipconfig. I will add 2 or 3 more commands, and I show you how you can fix a network. Every time you start troubleshooting, it is a good idea to follow a method, something that will help you identify an issue and sort it out. You all go, well, but it's like a home network. What do you want? Do you want me to create a plan and implement? And the answer is yes. You don't have to do that on a piece of paper. I want you to think like that. Okay. I want you to think like that. I want to make you aware of things that you can miss if you don't follow a procedure like that. For instance, you receive a phone call from your client or from your friend, and he says, well, my laptop is dead, I don't know, just take it away, I don't really care. You're not going to say, well, let's replace the system board. And just, what? No, what are you going to say? Well, you have to define the problem and get more information. What do you mean it's dead? The screen is dead. If you press the power button, nothing happens. What's wrong with it? It's just, it's not working. That's what, end users say. Or the internet is slow. What does it mean the internet is slow? Want to see an example? Stay with me. Thank you very much.